So I was finally able to find a way to connect my 8BitDo Ultimate 2C controller here, as you can see, to my PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4. So if you're trying to connect it via Bluetooth or via cable directly, it's not gonna recognize it. And you probably already tried and it doesn't work. But there is one way to make sure that it does work. And that is to get one of those Brook Wingman PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4 converter here, as you can see. You can see it works both for PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4. And it's this one right here. This one works like magic, and I'm not even sponsored by them, by the way. I'm using it myself and it's been working great. There is one more thing you need to have, by the way, and that is a USB-C cable. So if you don't have that one as well, you need to get a good one here. You can see a USB-C and here and a USB and here. This one is gonna go into the back actually of this right here, the Brook Wingman adapter, and this one is gonna go at here at your controller. Let me show you the magic now. So you can see now when it's like this, I'm going to now connect it to my PlayStation 5. And then click on this button right here. Works without any lag whatsoever. This is incredible, guys, honestly. Look at this. Now I can finally use it like without any problems. Like, I can use it on any game as well. I've tried like basically all the games that I have and it works perfectly. You can see here it works like, it's super smooth. It's no lag whatsoever. Super smooth. And that is all thanks to this adapter right here. And by the way, if you want to be able to get this adapter, I have actually left a link to it in my description. And yes, it is an affiliate link, and I might earn a small commission if you purchase through it, or I will. If you purchase through that link, I will earn a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. It's like a good way to support my channel, I guess. And also, if you don't have a USB-C, this type of cable right here, I will also link a good cable in the description below. And yes, that one is also an affiliate link, but like I said before, it's no extra cost to you, and I will earn like a small commission from it, basically. So yeah, that is basically exactly how to do this.